Ho, 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 Santa Van.
I'm Max Van, aka Jake the Snake Lewis. And as you can see, I think I got a little bit taller from the last video.
And we're here with our Superbike Christmas Week 2 Crash Race Suit giveaway. Okay, so Week 2 Superbike Christmas giveaway. We've got the Jake Lewis Yosh Superbike. This is the year when Jake was Superbike Rookie of the Year on the Yosh Superbike. He's still riding Suzuki M4 Suzuki now. Good looking suit, obviously fell in. So the terms of the deal is really simple. Every order that's placed on the SCG website from December 9th through December 15th, a Sunday to a Saturday, qualifies for one entry into the random drawing that we'll pull on the following Monday. We'll announce it on the Monday. This is a kick-ass suit. I want to thank Cortech for providing this opportunity for us to get these suits to give away, and I think this is a real opportunity for a race fan to have the real deal, right? A Moto America premier racer to own one of their crash suits. It'll look great in your man cave for sure. And that's if we can peel it off this kick. So I think right now you're hoping some of that Jake Lewis mojo wears off on you, right? Maybe you're a little faster?
Yeah.
Maybe someday you're racing a GSX-R 1000.
Hopefully this suit will help me drop 3 seconds at Barber, so. Boy,
that's a big ask. Jake is really good at Barber though, so it's possible that having that on is gonna help you get there. So there you go, man. Santa Van, Week 2, Superbike Christmas.